Hey everybody, I am live. Let's see. Hey everybody, I am live. I'm live here at 740 Megan Court, which is a James McNaughton built home. There's a cat, so I can't open the door, but here's the front door from the inside. It's got beautiful, lots of light coming in. The stairs are over here. As you walk in, you kind of get this idea that, to your left is kind of the hallway towards the main living area. To your right is a really pretty sitting room, which eventually leads to the dining room, all of which has been updated recently over the last year. And here is the kitchen. So there's a connection from the dining room direct to the kitchen. White cabinetry, top of the line appliances. This is a Wolf double oven. We have a dishwasher here from Bosch, and then Thermador microwave, and then a Wolf range. So some pretty high-end materials. You get a view of the backyard. Oops, I went too close to the screen. I can't see. So, yeah, this is 740 Megan Court. And you can see the backyard here. They have a fire pit. And it's a nice neighborhood here. This is the Fairfield neighborhood. And this is the family room. Some built-in cabinetry. You can see how you get a good view of almost the whole first floor from in here. The kitchen has white cabinets, high-end appliances. And tucked away quietly in this area is the powder room, mud room, and laundry area, which is really nice. It's a really great design, this home. And that leads to a 2-car garage through that door. But you can see first floor laundry, which is just phenomenal. This home, we're priced at $570,000, which is much less expensive than the majority of the homes here in Fairfield. Fairfield neighborhood down here, we're at 740 Megan. The Fairfield neighborhood is known for being in Hinsdale Central High Schools. It's in the Merker Elementary School system. And, you get this home is about 20 years old and it's in great condition. You have 4 bedrooms upstairs and, just on a great area. Most of the homes in this neighborhood tend to sell for closer to the high 600s, and then we're priced at $570. And so there is a good value play here, and the owners have updated all the carpets, all the light fixtures, painted a bunch, brand new roof. This is the hall bathroom, kids' bathroom you could call it. This is bedroom number 3, which the owner uses at as her office. She works from home now, of course. And then finally, we have the master bedroom, which is a really nice space. Maybe one too many pieces of furniture in here, but that's okay. Big walk-in closet. And then here's the bathroom. So we're here at 740 Megan Court. I'm on the 2nd floor. And this is a virtual open house. If you have a question, you can feel free to send me a comment. From up here, you get a good view of the front yard. Grass is in great condition. They keep it up. The neighborhood is awesome. A lot of great families here. The basement's unfinished, but you know, plenty of room to play down there, and you could finish it if you wanted. But right now it's unfinished. Give a view of the front of the house here quickly. A neighborhood of just great, great, you know, landscaping. All the homes kind of, everyone takes care of their homes, and here's the front of the house. Hardwood floors were redone. The roof was redone. They've painted a bunch, replaced the carpet. The appliances are new. Just really a great opportunity. We just hit the market on Friday or something, and we've had a good number of showings already, and so I'm sure somebody's gonna take advantage of this and really get a chance to move into this wonderful neighborhood. It's a beautiful day outside. Not as many people online, but we're not allowed to do open houses, public open houses, so we have to think out of the box, and this is what I've come up with, is virtual open houses. You can see the rear yard. It's a nice space, not too big, not too small, kind of nice and easy to maintain. These guys haven't had a chance to get the mulch done, but that's coming soon, I presume. Feel free to send me a comment, and I'd be happy to answer any questions. Great two-story space here. Not oversized. I just think this house is just a really good mix of the amount of space that you want, and being priced under $600,000 is just really spectacular. Hard to find a 20-year-old house or so. Here's a good view of the entire kitchen and family room area. Just walking everybody through this. This is 740 Megan Court here in Westmont, Marker School District Elementary, Hinsdale Central. This is where a neighborhood that you can find homes, under $700,000 that are less than 20 years old, that have all the features you want. It says 4 bedrooms upstairs, master ensuite, all that stuff. It's updated, and really a great opportunity. Most of the homes in this neighborhood tend to trade in the high 6s and low 7s. We're here at 579, and it's a real opportunity to get in this neighborhood. Some of the other homes are bigger than this one, but I think this is a real appropriate amount of space here. Some of those other homes are like 3,800 feet, and that's really more than what you need. This house is like 3,000 feet, and it has just enough space for everybody to be happy. So I think this is probably the best buy in this neighborhood, especially on Megan Court. I really think it's one of the best buys. And so someone's going to jump on this. We've had a bunch of showings. We've only been on the market for a few days. So feel free to text me if you have a question. I got a DM here. Someone was asking about the age of the roof. The roof is brand new. The appliances are all brand new and they're high end, Wolf, Thermador type stuff. And the carpet is all new. The hardwoods were refinished and a bunch of the home was painted. And the window treatments and the light fixture. So there's a lot of new stuff in this house. This house is pretty much move-in ready, and some lucky buyer is going to realize that and jump on this here. I really think May is going to be a busy month in general for real estate. People are going to come out of their shells now that they're realizing that hopefully things are improving on the COVID-19 front. But I will say in general, I think there's going to be more buyers from the city of Chicago that they just want to get out to a little bit more space, and we're still close to the city here. So I'm on for another about 10 minutes. We're here at 740 Megan Court, a beautiful 4-bedroom home that's been updated. And we're listed at $570,000. It's a wonderful opportunity to get in this neighborhood. My name's Jan. I'm the listing agent here, Jan Morel from At Properties, and I'm here at 740 Megan Court, and I'm behind the camera, so I'm going to flip this back and take you on a tour, but you can text me comments or whatever it is in the comments bar, and I'll be happy to try to answer them. So we're at 740 Megan Court, which is in the Fairfield neighborhood of Westmont, and feel free to ask me any questions and I'll try to reply. So here we are. This is the sitting room, living room, the dining room, and then you have the family room over there, and behind this entry guest closet is the kitchen. Yeah. Feel free to ask any questions. There's the backyard. Fairfield's a great neighborhood, a lot of great families. I've personally known a bunch of them because my kids go to school with a bunch of children from this area, and it really is a great neighborhood. I don't think you could go wrong here. We're here at 740 Megan Court. Please let me know if you have any questions. Be happy to answer any questions people have. Just got a question asked about how many bedrooms. There are 4 bedrooms upstairs, the master ensuite, and then there's 3 children's bedrooms that share a hall bath. And the basement's unfinished, but if you finish the basement, you could probably get a 5th bedroom down there if you wanted. This home's at $570,000, which is, for Fairfield Court, is a real deal to get into this neighborhood at this price. Most of the other listings are, in the upper 6s and everything. So I really think this is a great opportunity to get into Hinsdale Central High School, and be in a neighborhood where you can get a 20-year-old home under $600,000. Trust me, it's not an easy thing to do. So that's really what the advantage is. Well, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you all joining me, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful Sunday.